holly jolly Christmas. I'm certain you're gonna have a jolly good time with Jolly Orville casting a spell on all those who tune into Holly Jolly Christmas.
Have a holly jolly Christmas. It's the best time of the year. Oh, I don't know if there'll be snow, but have a cup of cheer. Have a holly jolly Christmas. And when you walk down the street, say hello to friends you know and everyone you meet. Oh, oh, the mistletoe hung where you can see. Somebody waits for you. Kiss her once for me. Have a holly jolly Christmas. And in case you didn't hear, oh, by golly, have a holly jolly Christmas this year.
Hello everybody. Hello Christmas. It's me, Santa again, jingling all the way. Let's go jingling-a-ling, a treat for music enthusiasts.
Dashing through the snow in a one-horse open sleigh, over the fields we go, laughing all the way. Bells and bobtail ring, making spirits bright. What fun it is to ride and sing a sleighing song tonight.
Hey, jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. Jingle bells, jingle all the way.
When Jesus was born, it gave joy to the world and gave a promise to mankind that suffering would end forever.
A ray of hope glitters in the sky. A tiny star lights up way above. All across the land dawns a brand new morn. This comes to pass when a child is born. A silent wish sails the seven seas. The winds of change whisper in the trees. In this world of doubt, time will trust and toil. This comes to pass when a child is born. Rosy hue settles all around. You got the feel, you're on solid ground. For a span or two, no one seems forlorn. This comes to pass when a child is born. And all this happens because the world is waiting for a child, black, white, yellow, no one knows, but a child that will grow up and turn tears to laughter, hate to love, war to peace, and everyone to everyone's neighbor. And misery and sufferings will be virtually forgotten forever. It's all a dream and illusion now. It must come true sometime, soon, somehow. All across the land dawns a brand new morn. And this comes to pass when a child is born. A ray of hope glitters in the sky. A tiny star lights up way above. All across the land dawns a brand new morn. This comes to pass when a child is born.
a wonderful festival. Snow is falling. Let's sing and dance with Blasio in this wonderland of snow.
Just hear those sleigh bells jingling, ring, ting, tingling too. Come on, it's lovely weather for a sleigh ride together with you. Outside the snow is falling and friends are calling in you. Come on, it's lovely weather for a sleigh ride together with you. Giddy up, giddy up, giddy up, let's go. Let's look at the show. We're riding in the wonderland of snow. Giddy up, giddy up, giddy up, it's grand. Just holding your hand. We'll travel along with a song in such a big fairyland. Our cheeks are nice and rosy and comfy, cozy away. We snuggle up together like two birds of a feather would be. Let's take that road before us and sing a chorus or two. Come on, it's lovely weather for a sleigh ride together with you. There's a Christmas party at the home of Palmer Gray. It would be the perfect angling of a perfect day. We'll be singing the songs we love to sing without a single stop. At the fireplace round we watch the chestnut drop. There's a happy feeling nothing in the world can buy when the pass around the coffee and the pumpkin pie. It would nearly be like a picture brain with Harry, you and I.
These wonderful things are things we remember all through our lives. These wonderful things are things we remember all through our lives.
Our cheeks are nice and rosy and comfy, cozy away. We snuggle up together like two birds of a feather would be. Let's take that road before us and sing a chorus or two. Come on, it's lovely weather for a sleigh ride together with you.
As you move through Christmas season, let joy, happiness, good health, and prosperity accompany you. Have a glorious time this season.
Have yourself a merry little Christmas. Let your hearts be light.
From now on, our troubles will be out of sight.
Have yourself a merry little Christmas. Make the Yuletide gay.
From now on, our troubles will be miles away.
Miles away.
Here we are as in olden days, happy golden days of yore. Faithful friends who are dear to us will be near to us once more.
Through the years, we all will be together. If the fates allow.
Hang the shining star upon the highest bough and have yourself a merry little Christmas now.
Have yourself a merry little Christmas. Let your hearts be light.
From now on, our troubles will be out of sight.
Have yourself a merry little Christmas. Make the Yuletide gay.
From now on, our troubles will be miles away.
Miles away.
Once again, as in olden days, happy golden days of yore. Faithful friends who are dear to us, gather near to us once more.
Through the years, we all will be together. If the fates allow.
Hang the shining star upon the highest bough and have yourself a merry little Christmas now. a merry little Christmas now.
Dear Senior Santa Claus, I think I tell you what I would like for Christmas, and I hope you won't forget. I only want a peso that I can have for mine, to get my senorita something for Christmas time. I don't believe you read the card last Christmas that I sent. You've come to see the kids across the street and then you went. Dear Senior Santa Claus, I think we understand. Sometimes the toys are gone before you reach the Rio Grande. Dear Senior Santa Claus, I tell you what I think. I know got a stocking, I set up my piggy bank. So please bring me peso that I can have for mine, to get my senorita something for Christmas time. On Christmas Eve I watch for you and I don't sleep away. If I don't get lonely for something, she feels sad, I think. So please say your Santa Claus, this Christmas piece of bread. If I get peso to buy a ring for my Lolita's hand. I don't know what to buy for her, I think I buy a rose, so she can wear it in her hair most everywhere she goes. So please say your Santa Claus, this Christmas be so great. If I get peso to buy a ring for my Lolita's hand. If I get peso to buy a ring for my Lolita's hand. If I get peso to buy a ring for my Lolita's hand. If I get peso to buy a ring for my...
Rocking around the Christmas tree at the Christmas party hop. Mistletoe hung where you can see every couple tries to stop. Rocking around the Christmas tree, let the Christmas spirit ring. Later we'll have some pumpkin pie and we'll do some caroling.
You'll get a sentimental feeling when you hear voices singing, let's be jolly, deck the halls with boughs are falling.
Rocking around the Christmas tree, have a happy holiday. Everyone dancing merrily in the new old-fashioned way.
25th December, the world commemorates the birth of Jesus. His birth gives peace, joy, and light to mankind. The choir, as they sing, "Angels we have heard on high," will melt your hearts and feelings.
Angels we have heard on high, sweetly singing o'er the plains, and the mountains in reply, echoing their joyous strains. Gloria in excelsis Deo, in excelsis Deo. Shepherds, why this jubilee? Why not joyous strains prolong? What the gladsome tidings be, which inspire your heavenly song? Gloria in excelsis Deo. Gloria in excelsis Deo. Gloria in excelsis Deo. Gloria in excelsis Deo.
You know Dasher and Dancer and Prancer and Vixen, Comet and Cupid and Donner and Blitzen. But do you recall the most famous reindeer of all? Rudolph the red-nosed reindeer had a very shiny nose, and if you ever saw it, you would even say it glowed. All of the other reindeer used to laugh and call him names. They never let poor Rudolph join in any reindeer game. Then one foggy Christmas Eve, Santa came to say, "Rudolph, with your nose so bright, won't you guide my sleigh tonight?" Then how the reindeers loved him as they shouted out with glee, "Rudolph the red-nosed reindeer, you'll go down in history." One foggy Christmas Eve, Santa came to say, "Rudolph, with your nose so bright, won't you guide my sleigh tonight?" Then how the reindeers loved him as they shouted out with glee, "Rudolph the red-nosed reindeer, you'll go down in history."
He's coming, he's coming. Santa is on his way. Children, Hang out your stockings for surprises. You better be good to receive the goodies Santa is carrying on his back.
You better watch out, you better not cry, you better not pout, I'm telling you why. Santa Claus is coming to town. He's making a list and checking it twice, gonna find out who's naughty and nice. Santa Claus is coming to town. He sees you when you're sleeping, he knows when you're awake, he knows if you've been bad or good, so be good for goodness sake. You better watch out, you better not cry, you better not pout, I'm telling you why. Santa Claus is coming to town. You better watch out, you better not cry, you better not pout, I'm telling you why. Santa Claus is coming to town. He's making a list and checking it twice, gonna find out who's naughty and nice. Santa Claus is coming to town. Your gifts in girl and boyland will have a jubilee. We're gonna build a toyland all around the Christmas tree. You better watch out, you better not cry, you better not pout, I'm telling you why. Santa Claus is coming to town. Santa Claus is coming to town. Santa Claus is coming to town.
Silent night, holy night, sings the choir merrily. Watch the moon throb with light and the stars shine like sequins. The baby sleeping in a manger on a cold winter's night. May the magic of Christmas add glow to your life always.
Christmas, just like the ones I used to know, where the treetops glisten and children listen to hear sleigh bells in the snow. I'm dreaming of a white Christmas, just like the ones I used to know, where the treetops glisten and children listen to hear sleigh bells in the snow. I'm dreaming of a white Christmas, with every Christmas card I write. May your days be merry and bright, and may all your Christmases be white. I'm dreaming of a white Christmas, just like the ones I used to know. May your days be merry and bright, and may all your Christmases be white. I'm dreaming of a white Christmas, with every Christmas card I write. May your days be merry and bright, and may all your Christmases be white. May your days be merry and bright, and may all your Christmases be white. And may all your Christmases be white. And may all your Christmases be white. And may all your Christmases be
Cheer is here once again. Cheerful Orville is all set to sing Silver Bells. Listen to the pealing of church bells and the bursting of crackers on the midnight of December 24th adds charm to this royal festival.
City sidewalks, busy sidewalks, dressed in holiday style. In the air, there's a feeling of Christmas. Children laughing, people passing, meeting smile after smile. And on every street corner you hear silver bells, silver bells. It's Christmas time in the city. Ring-a-ling, hear them ring. Soon it will be Christmas Day. shoppers rush home with their treasures. See the kids bunch. This is Santa's big scene, and above all this bustle you hear silver bells, silver bells. It's Christmas time in the city. Ring-a-ling, hear them ring. Soon it will be Christmas Day. Soon it will be Christmas Day.
December 24th heralds in the birth of Jesus 2000 years ago. Mary's boy child today has taken the form of love. Let this love be yours forever.
Long time ago in Bethlehem, so the Holy Bible says, Mary's boy child, Jesus Christ, was born on Christmas Day. Hark now, hear the angels sing, a new king's born today, and man will live forevermore because of Christmas Day. While shepherds watch their flocks by night, they see a bright new shining star. They hear a choir of angels sing, the music seems to come from afar. Hark now, hear the angels sing, a new king's born today, and man will live forevermore because of Christmas Day. Now Joseph and his wife Mary, they came to Bethlehem that night. They find no place to lay the child, not a single room was in sight. Hark now, hear the angels sing, a new king's born today, and man will live forevermore because of Christmas Day.
season offers you a bountiful package of cards, sweets, song, and dance. However, the real essence of Christmas is in sharing and loving one another.
Last Christmas I gave you my heart, but the very next day you gave it away. This year, to save me from tears, I'll give it to someone special. Last Christmas I gave you my heart, but the very next day you gave it away. This year, to save me from tears, I'll give it to someone special. Once bitten and twice shy, I keep a distance, but you still catch my eye. Tell me, baby, do you recognize me? Well, it's been a year, it doesn't surprise me. Merry Christmas, I wrapped it up and sent it. With a note saying, I love you, I meant it. Now I know what a fool I've been. But if you kiss me now, I know you fool me again. Last Christmas I gave you my heart, but the very next day you gave it away. This year, to save me from tears, I'll give it to someone special. Last Christmas I gave you my heart, but the very next day you gave it away. This year, to save me from tears, I'll give it to someone special. Whoa, baby. Crowded room with friends with dead eyes, hiding from you and your soul of eyes. My God, I thought you were someone to rely on. Me, I guess I was a shoulder to cry on. A face of a lover with the fire in his heart. A man undercover, but you tore me apart. Ooh, now I found a real love, you'll never fool me again. Last Christmas I gave you my heart, but the very next day you gave it away. This year, to save me from tears, I'll give it to someone special. Last Christmas I gave you my heart, but the very next day you gave it away. This year, to save me from tears, I'll give it to someone special. Face of a lover with the fire in his heart. A man undercover, but you tore him apart. I'll give it to someone, I'll give it to someone special.
Hang out the streamers, hang on the stars, put on the sparkling lights. It's time for Jingle Bell Rock. Our ravishing Ravi will help you rock through the night with Jingle Bell Rock.
Jingle bell, jingle bell, jingle bell rock. Jingle bells swing and jingle bells ring. Snowing and blowing up bushels of fun. Now the jingle hop
the sleigh bells ringing, everybody singing, dancing the Christmas polka. Christmas trees and holly make everyone so jolly, and love just fills the air. It's a wonderful world for a boy and a girl while dancing the Christmas polka. Christmas season, so there isn't any reason we can dance the Christmas polka. Hear the sleigh bells ringing, everybody singing, dancing the Christmas polka. Christmas trees and holly make everyone so jolly, and love just fills the air. It's a wonderful world for a boy and a girl while dancing the Christmas polka.
Christmas celebration is marked with grand festivities and gala moments, which will remain beautiful forever. The choir wishes you a sparkling Christmas and a brilliant New Year.
We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Good tidings to you wherever you are. Good tidings for Christmas and a Happy New Year. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year.
Once in a year, it's not far amiss to receive our neighbors and sing out like this of friendship and love, good neighbors about, and peace and goodwill the whole year around.
We
Manfa Music wishes one and all a Merry Christmas and a Happy New